Hi everyone, today we are going to give answer for some of the most frequently asked question on Stack Overflow, and you can see the questions in here. Some of the question has been viewed more than 1 million times. So now let's open our studio and give an answer for these questions. So to answer this question, we need to have the package for data manipulation, and this is the package that we are going to use. So you need to install it and then call the package. And then the data we are going to use the empty car data set. You can click here, control enter, and this is the data set. So the rows is number of different car models, and the column, for example, here you can see have empty car, control enter, empty car. This the first column is like how long the car can travel with 1 gallon, and the number of cylinder, displacement, horsepower, weight, so on. And now let's say that we want to sum up the displacement by cylinder. So using this package, sum by group. So our empty cars, and we are going to use the pi operator. This is pi operator, and we want to group by cylinder. And what we are going to do with this group, use pi operator. We want to summarize, let's say sum of displacement, sum displacement. So when we use the pi operator in here, we can access the variable directly by its name. So we can access the column directly by its name, column name in here. And then we can also sum directly displacement. We don't need to type empty car $sign here. So control enter. So I have 3 different groups of cylinder, and this is the sum of each group. For example, I want to sum up by also by VS engine in here, VS. So I want to group by cylinder and VS. I can add VS in here, VS, control enter. So I have 5 different groups by the combination of cylinder and VS, and this is the sum of each group. You can also can calculate the mean. We add another column, mean of displacement, mean, control enter, and now we have additional column which is mean in here. Or we can have a custom function. If we want, for example, our custom function, we want to calculate sum of square. Let's create a function x, and our result is sum of x squared. Control enter, and now I create another column, sum of square, sum of displacement. Control enter here. Now I have additional column, and the variable is calculated by the way that I want. For example, sum of square here. So you can also sum up other group. For example, you can also sum up weight. Let's say weight. Yeah. And with this, we have already answered multiple questions in here. Here we already answered the question how to sum up variable by group, calculate the mean by group, aggregate multiple variables per group. And the next question is how to compute monthly averages from daily data. We need to create example data. Let's go back to R. So let's create daily data. Okay, now we already create daily data in here. First column is day, second column is the value. And if we want to sum up, want to calculate the averages by monthly, we need to add 2 columns, the year and the month, to this daily data. Daily. data, and we want to use the function from this package. So we want the pi operator mutate to add columns to this data. So month, let's say format of this column, we create a month from date, month, and so on, year. So this is year, control enter. So our data has two additional column. One column is month and the other year, and we want to update into the daily data frame. So we need to assign to itself. Let's see here. So we have two additional columns, and now we can use the same function in here, principal in here, to calculate monthly averages from daily data. And we are going to use the pipe operator and group by year and month, and pi operator. What we are going to do, summarize monthly averages, xây bằng mean of daily value. So we calculate monthly averages from daily value here. Control enter. And now here we have monthly average for 2023 and so on until 2024. And if we want to calculate the monthly averages from for all year, we just move it out. Control enter, and now we have the monthly averages for all years. Here, month, 12 month. So you can add year here, go back to the previous. So with this example, we have answer for the last question in here, monthly averages from daily data. And thanks for your attention. Let's move to the next video.